it, make it, do it, makes us harder, better, faster, stronger.
That don't kill me, can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now, cause I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be right now, cause I can't get much longer. Man, I've been waiting all night now, that's how long I've been on ya.
The University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign is widely regarded as one of the top research institutes in the world. U of I is also known for their College of Engineering, College of Business, and bipolar weather. I mean, the shots you see here, I filmed them about a week apart. Yeah, the bipolar weather is no joke. When choosing to come to U of I had no idea of all the cool resources we have available to us as students of this great university. Here, I was thinking all my tuition money went to feeding the abundance of squirrels on campus. Curious, I looked into one of the resources we have available to us, 3D printing. I wanted to know how it worked, why it was important, and how it was used on campus. Before moving forward with my quest for knowledge, I went ahead and asked some of my peers if they were aware of 3D printing on campus.
Oh hey, are you aware of the 3D printing here at U of I?
Yeah.
Do you ever use it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, the Maker Lab. I know what it is, right?
Are you aware of the 3D printers here at U of I?
Yes.
Do you ever use them?
No.
Are you aware of the 3D printers here at U of I? Do you ever use them?
No.
Despite the lack of interest in 3D printing from some of my peers, I went ahead and interviewed some of the people on campus I knew would be more knowledgeable about 3D printing. I first went ahead and interviewed someone from the Mechanical, Science, and Engineering department to learn about how 3D printing works.
Hello, my name is Ralph Mönner. I'm the Director of Operation and Facilities here at MEXI.
Could you explain to us the basics of how 3D printing works?
Yes, it's relatively simple. You design your part in 3D software like AutoCAD or Creo or SolidWorks. And if you have your model, you save it as an STL file. An STL file is like the PDF is for printed two-dimensional projects and objects. The STL file is for 3D printers. And the computer hooked up to the 3D printer is slicing the model in hundreds, thousands of slices, maybe 0.1 millimeter high, and then the printer is doing one slice after the other slice, and the building and the model is being built by 0.1 millimeter increments, for example. And after the model is done, you sometimes have to do a little bit cleanup work.
Next, I stopped by the ceramics building to ask my own material science professor about the materials used in 3D printing.
I'm Dr. Matt Goodman. I'm a lecturer in the Material Science Department here at the University of Illinois.
Being a material science expert, what are some of the common materials used in 3D printing?
Most of them are going to be plastics or polymers. So the Maker Lab in BIF uses polylactic acid, PLA, and this is just a plastic that you heat it up a little bit and you can just write like a pen and do it that way. Other methods use kind of a solution-based processing, also making a plastic once you shine light on it, which is what we did in MSc 101.
Lastly, I stopped by the Maker Lab at BIF to ask an employee about their experience working at the Maker Lab.
We're here with Kevin Lohan outside the Illinois Maker Lab, and he's going to tell us a little bit about his experience and the purpose of the Maker Lab. So Kevin, could you tell us, what is the Maker Lab?
Sure. The Maker Lab is a 3D printing lab in the College of Business. What we do here is we seek to provide affordable 3D printing for students on campus, as well as provide 3D printing for professors seeking to further their research goals.
What's the coolest thing you've ever had printed here at the Maker Lab?
So we've done a lot of really interesting things at the Maker Lab. One thing we find interesting is we have a flexible filament, so we can print things in plastic that also flexes and bends, so we can make much more intricate objects like that. And if we go with a conventional hard plastic, we've also printed a scale version of the Eiffel Tower. This print was made in roughly 9 pieces with a few reprints due to failures, and it took all in all roughly 4 days to complete printing.
After doing all that research, I'm sure glad I now know more about 3D printing. Now, only one question remains.
Work it, make it, do it, makes us harder, better, faster, stronger.
That don't kill me, can only